Iman Gadzhi, the entrepreneur and marketing expert who's helped thousands of people turn their passion for social media into a thriving business. But has it saturated SMMA? Iman Gadzhi has uploaded hundreds of videos relating to making money online, especially videos on how to start a social media marketing agency. And whilst some of you may argue that the success of Iman Gadzhi has led to oversaturation of the market, it's actually quite difficult to attribute this solely to Iman himself or any other individual uploading SMMA videos. There's also many ways you can run a social media marketing agency, from solely running Google and Facebook ads, managing companies' social media accounts, or even content creation. Just because somebody has a social media marketing agency doesn't necessarily mean they're going to be a direct competitor to you. For example, let's take dropshipping. When you buy a product, you're going to be selling it on your online store, and as soon as other people jump on that same product, it's going to be quite competitive and you're just going to start knocking down each other's prices. But with SMMA, you're unique. You have your own style of work. You're going to take photos, you're going to take videos, you're going to run ads differently to everybody else. So you just have to start standing out. But that being said, Iman Gadzhi and his programs has certainly contributed towards the popularity of SMMA. It's also important to note that there are many other courses and programs available that teach similar concepts. It's not just Iman uploading SMMA videos. And ultimately, the success of an SMMA business really depends on the quality of its services and the ability to stand out in such a competitive market, rather than the number of people offering very similar services to you. And I run my own social media marketing agency, and I even see different agencies message my clients on a daily basis asking if they're after their services. And watching and listening to multiple videos of Iman Gadzhi, I just know they're using the same script he's teaching them inside his SMMA course. And although there are thousands of marketing agencies out there, I strongly believe the market is far from saturated. You have to think how many different businesses there are out there that need help on social media. And just to name a few, you have restaurants, nightclubs, bars, kitchen companies, alloy wheel refurbishments, hair salons, dentists, and a big one that's blowing up at the moment is women's cosmetics for lip filler and Botox. And just to finish the video, it's very important to remember that although people like Iman Gadzhi are out there getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views on their SMMA videos, how many of those views are actually going to take action on what he's saying? So just because a video that Iman's uploaded has got 1 million views, it really doesn't mean that 1 million people are going to wake up tomorrow morning and start a social media marketing agency. So if you're thinking about starting a social media marketing agency in 2023 but was honestly wondering if the market is too saturated, the answer is no.